next topic is problem of Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture faces a lots of problem. First one of them is lack of permanent means of irrigation. It means that our Indian farmers are not having a permanent source of irrigation facilities such as tube wells, borings, etc. for the purpose of irrigation of land. They are basically depends upon rainfall for the purpose of irrigation. If rainfall was good or on time, at that time they able to increase their production. If there are drought, there is a heavy loss in the production of agricultural crops. So that we need a permanent source of irrigation all over the country. Our next point is deficiency of finance. At that time, our farmers was poor and they have a lack of finance for purchasing any equipment for the purpose of agriculture, pesticide, fertilizers, chemicals, etc. There are some non-institutional sources, Seth and Saukar Mahajans. Farmers took loan from them only and they take high rate of interest from farmers and they force them also to sell their crops at low prices, and just because of that farmers are in debt trap or vicious circle of poverty because Mahajans took a very high rate of interest from those farmers. Next problem is conventional outlook. Conventional outlook towards the farmer yet is another problem. Our farmers are not highly educated and they are also don't want to take risk for using some new technology. Rather than that, they are always practicing their older techniques or methods for the purpose of agriculture. Because they don't want to take risk of taking high profit, they might be think it maybe loss occurs due to using new technologies, and they don't want and interested to earn more and more and making more profit. Rather than they want to grow only those food crops for the purpose of survival only. Small and scattered holding. In India, there are farmers are having only small piece of land with them. Not only this much, but these are scattered, means one piece at another place and second piece is other place. It increases the cost of production and a farmer is unable to manage or to work on all their pieces of land at the same time. It also reduces the productivity or production of food grains due to scattering of their fields in different places. Exploitative agrarian relationships. We all know that the tiller of the soil means farmers are not the real owner of the land. They produce food crops and they have to pay lagan to the Britishers or I mean say zamindars. And zamindars and Britishers are not doing anything for the betterment of agriculture, rather than they are forcefully take lagans from the farmers, and just because of that more of the farmers are not interested to doing agriculture because they not get sufficient and they have threatening or a fear in their mind that whatever we produce it should be taken by zamindars forcefully. Just because of that agriculture was backward. Another problem is lack of organized marketing system. At that time there was not any mandis or cooperative societies by which farmers are able to sell their crops. So they are in problem and they have no other options other than selling their food crops to the zamindars or to mahajans or the money lenders, those who are given loan to them They forced them that the farmers, you all have to sell their crops to us only, means to the moneylenders, to the Mahajans, and they took their crops at a very low price. These are the various problems faced by farmers in India.